Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino Chiwenga, born Constantine Chiwenga, 25 August 1956, is a Zimbabwean politician and former army general, currently serving since 2017 as the first vice president of Zimbabwe under President Emmerson Mnangagwa. In August 2020, he added the health ministry to his portfolio. Sarabina mashoko kudai pamusoro paVP Constantino Chiwenga panguva inoonekwa kunzi pane maissues esuccession aiwo ari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi ari kunyatsopisa with the ruling party ZANU-PF, and people they are worried kuti zvichapera moshera. Sarabina mashoko mudai panguva ino. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timinda paenda yasema Risa Mudanyara Chiti. He joined the war in 1973 and was trained in Mozambique as a ZANLA militant. Chiwenga adopted the war name of Dominic Chinenge. He rose through the ranks to become a provincial commander for Masvingo, Gaza province, deputized by George Chiweshe, who was the provincial commissar. He was later promoted to the high command in 1978 to the post of ZANLA deputy political commissar as Josiah Tungamirai's deputy. He was educated up to O level at St. Mary's Mission in Weza, together with former students Parents Shiri, later Air Marshal, and Shungurirai, later Brigadier General, and Commander Mechanized Brigade. Citation needed. Chiwenga went on to earn a PhD in ethics from the University of KwaZulu-Natal in 2015. On 29 July 2016, he changed his name to Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino Chiwenga. Chiwenga has been married and divorced several times. In 1998, he married Jocelyn Jacobsen with a divorce in 2012. There were no children from his marriage to Jacobsen. In 2011, he married Mary Mbaiwa, a former model, while still married to Jacobsen. In 2012, Mary bore their first children, and a year later, she bore a girl. In 2019, suffering from an undisclosed ailment, Chiwenga checked into a South African hospital. A fracas arose when his wife Mary visited him. She was later charged with attempted murder. In December 2019, Chiwenga filed for divorce from Mary. Chiwenga married Colonel Minotabo Chiwenga, a serving member of the Zimbabwe National Army, in June 2022. Toma developments are from Zimbabwe. Comment section menus of any more pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.